So, good day, Mom MJ. So, my name is VJ Drano Sayman, base 83. So, for today I'm going to present my semifinal activity 10, which is the dot matrix display. So, first things first is let's proceed to the code itself now. So, I have here constant initialize latch pin is equals to 10, const initialize lock pin is equals to 12, and const int data pin is equals to 11. So in this case is we initialize a latch pin 10. So in this case is to control if kana sa ipadala ang data shift register ngadto sa ngadto, and then also we initialize 12. So in this case is to it is a shift register, so mo ni it is a clock signal that mag-move ang data, and then the data pin itself is this pin is to send actual data bits gikan sa Arduino. So let's proceed int row pins. So this one is to mo ni ang row that ma-connect sa LED matrix pinaagi sa in the way of one resistors. So also we have here a constant uint 8 underscore t data. So in this code is to it is a binary hex pattern that characters nga ipakita sa LED matrix, then kada 8 bytes magrepresent siya og 8 rows in matrix, then para po siya makabuo siya og number of letters. Then in this one is the sa first one is the space blank display, then so on the second one is pattern. There's a pattern that ipakita number 0 sa LED matrix, and then the third one is a pattern sa number 1. This one pattern sa number 1, then pattern sa number 2, then pattern sa number 3, and so on and so forth padulong sa number 9. So and dapat ay pattern sa letter A, then pattern sa letter C, D until sa F. So and the last one of this is kani it is a blank space para sa atong separation sa characters. So next one is avoid setup. So in this case is pin mode latch pin output. So pin mode clock pin output, then pin mode data pin output. So we set an shift register pin as an output because in this case is mag-send siya og data gikan sa Arduino. And then also we have a for loops So for int I is equals to 0, then I is less than 8, then I plus plus, then pin mode row pins, then I, then output. So in this case is we set sa tanang row nga tanang row pins as an output. Then digital write row pins I high. So in this case is we off na to ang default in all rows aron walay LED nga mag light. So next one, so void loop. So also we use Japon for loops. The int n is equal to 0, the n is less than 136, then n plus plus. So in this case is mag-scroll siya move sa data array para ipakita ang sunod-sunod nga characters. And then for int is equal to 0, t less than 15, t plus plus, then it's a small repetition lang para mas klaro and stable ang display sa tong LED matrix. And then for int I is equal to 0, I less than 8 plus I plus plus, then is a loop for 8 rows sa tong LED matrix. Kani siya. Then next one is digital write, latch pin low. Then disable latch aron makasulod. In this case is to disable the latch aron makasulod og new data sa shift register, and then shift out data pin, clock pin, MSB first, then data and plus I. So in this case is to we send a data bits padulong sa kuan sa shift register, and it is a thing pod nga gamit sa data pin o clock pin. Then digital write latch pin high. So in this case is we lock a data aron ma-output siya sa LADE matrix. So digital write row pins I. So activate ang current row, then delay 1. So short delay para makita na to ang lights, then like persistence of visions effect, then digital write row pins, and that's all. And then let's proceed sa atong output sa Arduino. So no, this is the output of our Arduino in matrix. So as you can see that the light was it symbolized numbers or letters. No, so you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's all, ma'am.